Hi, my name is Sarah, and I want to show you my Rails web application for my final project for Ruby 2.10. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, we're at the landing page of Cultivate, which is my project, and is meant to be a web app that helps you manage small farms and gardens, so animals and plants, and to help you keep track of everything. So right now it's very basic, but in the future there's a lot of things I want to add. I'd like to add planting and harvesting schedules, have kind of things like severe weather warnings that can notify you when your plants are in danger, and then things for animals like, egg counters, reminders when you need to buy feed, a lot of stuff like that. So keep in mind this is the basic version. So let's go ahead and log in so I can show you around. And I've already created an account here, so I will sign in, and I use Devise to set this up. And right now you can see a little extra helper I have in here, which is that every time you refresh the landing page, you get a different background. So that's nice and fun. Alright, so let's go into gardens and see what this is all about. So you can see that we have listings for gardens. And if I go in here, you'll see season, year, description, and then we can also view plants. Now, right now I don't have any plants, and that is because my nested resources are not working. So if you know of a fix for that, please take a look at my code and help me out. But this would be one of the things I would have done a little bit differently with my project. I probably would have abandoned the nested resources idea a lot earlier, so I could get more done. Two other things I would have done differently. I would have done true TDD and written my tests first, and then I also generally would have done better data model planning. For example, I named a bunch of columns type and had to go back and fix those, so I would do that a lot better next time. So let's see, let's go ahead and show you around a bit more. So we also have orchards, for example, and let's go ahead and create an orchard. So this could be our summer, actually let's make it an apple orchard. And then we're going to have Fuji's and pink ladies in our orchard. So you can see we create that, and if we go back, it's listed right here. And then we could also go in and create trees. So let's walk through a couple other things. So you can see here I have chickens, and I have a chicken counter at the top. So that'll automatically update as we create more chickens and add them to our flock. And then I've set this up for several of our other animals as well. So we have Daffy the duck, Quite the quacker, we have Wilbur the pig, and we even have Billy the goat, who's a master escape artist. So a couple other things about my app. Three things I wish I had known when I got started is that first, that Rails is truly a DSL. You're not writing in Ruby, and I spent a lot of time studying Ruby when I probably could have better spent that time just trying to generate Rails apps. The other thing I learned is how easy it is to procrastinate with CSS. You can get really caught up in that, and I put a lot of time into just fixing CSS problems. And the other thing I'd wish I'd known is that when I'm having trouble finding information about what I'm debugging, I'm probably debugging the wrong thing. So I definitely went down a lot of rabbit holes trying to fix things, when if I had rephrased what I was looking for, I probably would have had a much easier time and fixed everything earlier. So I'm really happy with my project and how it turned out. There's still tons of stuff I want to do. Like I said, this is really bare bones, but I'm looking forward to implementing more. And a couple things I was able to learn on my own that we didn't go over in class were the Bootstrap gem. I learned a lot of Sass basics as I was writing, so to help refactor my CSS. And then I also wrote some routing tests, which I don't think we specifically covered, but I went ahead and set up for several of my things. So that's my project. I hope you enjoy browsing and or using it, and hopefully you will see more exciting things about it in the future. Thanks for watching.